Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the one and only Flamin' Hot Mountain Dew.
Wow.
What does that mean? We don't know. But anyways.
I'm Julia.
And I'm Jesse.
And together we're Cookies and Cream.
And today, like I already said, we're reviewing this monstrosity of a drink. Doritos said, hey Mountain Dew, let's just put it all into one can.
Not Doritos. Cheetos.
Oh, right. I'm just used to Doritos Mountain Dew collab with the game in and all that.
They mix it up.
Yeah, you're right, Cheetos. So, yeah, if you haven't been alive the last 2 years,
I feel about it.
you wouldn't have seen, but everything is flaming hot, okay? The sun's flaming hot. Everything is flaming hot. Every snack you see in the grocery store, Lay's has flaming hot. Who else has flaming hot? Like, every chip brand now has flaming hot.
They're just really hot. I don't even like Flamin' Hot.
She's not a fan of flaming hot?
Is not good.
She likes the jalapeno lime. Flamin' Hot's
jalapeno cheddar.
Oh, Flamin' Hot's pretty good to me. I don't mind it, but I haven't had it in forever. And along with that, I'm gonna be trying to DIY my own Mountain Dew Flamin' Hot. Okay, so I looked up the Flamin' Hot spice ingredient type list, and I was like, I don't want to just put powder into my Mountain Dew. So what I'm doing is getting some ghost pepper. This is one of the hottest peppers in the world. We're going to take some ghost pepper sauce, put it in some zero sugar Mountain Dew, and then we got some lime juice because it says Dew with a blast of heat and citrus, and there's some lime up on there. So
I think this is a weird idea.
She didn't know about this, but now she does. And she's super excited about it. So without further ado, we got to crack this one open. And then once we have established that this is the best soda ever to be released, we will make our own version because this is limited or no? We don't know. It was hard to find here in Canada. We are up in Canada. We had to find it at a store that imports stuff. So, without further ado.
Oh, I see a little bit of color.
Are you expecting saltiness? I kind of am.
I don't know what to expect.
Can you glass me? I don't know what to expect either, you know? Like, is it actually going to be spicy? I kind of hope so.
I don't like that color.
This looks like hot sauce.
It looks like hot sauce in water.
Hot sauce and Mountain Dew. Let's
smell. Ew.
It's got spice in it because it burnt my nose. I wasn't I would like really took a deep one. It's Mountain Dew for sure. You get the Mountain Dew.
What are you coughing about? And then it hit me in my nostrils.
Why didn't they just do jalapeno lime? Because like Mountain Dew's already like citrusy, you know, like so it's like the lime.
Because Flamin' Hot Cheetos are so
Flamin'
popular.
Hot everything. Flamin' Hot socks. They have Flamin' Hot merch. What's next? Flamin' Hot cereal is gonna be next. It's gonna be next. Mark my words. All right. Well, you want first or?
Go ahead. Just go ahead.
Dog's excited about it. I don't, what? It kind of just tasted like sweet water with, it felt like there was going to be something there, like some heat.
There's some spice, enough for them to say there's chili in it, but it's minimal, and I feel like it's only enhanced by the bubbles.
Do you still get Mountain Dew though?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I get Mountain Dew, and like for a split second, I get a little bit of burn in the back of the throat, and it goes up into my nose because the bubbles like enhance it, like you said. But otherwise, if you told me to guess this flavor, I would never guess spicy. It's not even really salty. Is there sodium?
With a blast of heat. It's not a blast.
That ain't no blast.
It's a.
Let me tell you. Sodium 55 milligrams. So no, they didn't really add any extra salt.
It's good.
It's good, but like, I thought it was gonna be spicy. So,
like I said, see, Flamin' Hot.
That's a letdown. But it's time to make an actual spicy soda because I had a feeling
Like, are you gonna try and make a replica, or are you just gonna
It's gonna be a replica.
Okay.
No, it's gonna be like the replica that
like what it should have been.
What I wanted it and what it should have been. Could you give me the glass, bartender?
I don't know about this, boss.
Going 0 sugar because that's what we had in stock. So we're gonna miss out on the color because
you got a mixer. You got a Boston shaker.
No, because then we'll lose carbonation.
Well, then it's only me at the bottom.
You know what?
You should have put the hot sauce in
I should have.
first.
I definitely should have. Now this is...
What is it? Well,
on the spice level it says terrifying, so...
Oh, okay.
We're
That
just
diarrhea.
Dude,
it's mixing itself. Look, it's changing color.
I'm surprised it didn't fizz up, honestly. But, yeah, ghost pepper sauce is one of the hottest sauces, so...
It's just mixing itself.
Good. Add a little dash of lime juice.
It looks like it's on fire.
Seems good enough. There we go. We'll give it a little swirl.
You gonna give it the Dougie?
Give it the Dougie.
Ew!
That's what those Newfoundlanders do. Alright,
No, I smelt it from here. I didn't even have to put my nose.
If you never had ghost pepper like attacks your throat like a ghost.
Yeah, ghost.
Yeah.
I don't know if I want to drink that.
That's actually kind of fire, no pun intended. That's what it should have been. Like, it's got a subtle kick of heat, and that's
Pray
what
for
I
my butthole.
No, you're okay. That's not... It ain't no thing, man.
Yeah, it's good. It just hits me in my nose.
It's better than that, no? As far as the spice goes.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, it hits you in the throat, but... You know when you're, like, eating Flamin' Hot Cheetos or the jalapeno Cheetos, and you're, like, getting, like, halfway through the bag because, like, you're like a fat ass and you just eat the whole bag in one sitting?
Yes.
So you're, like, halfway through the bag and you can't taste it anymore. You're just living off the crunch.
Wait, which kind?
Flamin' Hot or jalapeno. Because there's, like, enough spice there to like numb your
That's
palate.
my experience
after...
with sweet chili heat Doritos.
Oh, see, that's not spicy enough for me.
After I eat too many.
But okay, yeah, after you eat too many. So that's kind of what that gives me, you know, that spice.
It's good, but I wouldn't just like, I'm just gonna mix up some Mountain Dew and some ghost pepper and some lime juice and drink that. No.
I'd do this. I think if you just went regular hot sauce, it wouldn't have been hot enough.
Chili on it.
They actually don't say any spices, so people just say it's in the natural flavors is where all the spices are. So it's believed that there's like onion powder, chili powder, cayenne, a bunch of stuff like that. But you know, I figured go big or go home, ghost pepper, because Mountain Dew couldn't show up. So
it's slowly burning more and more.
No, I love that.
You're just gonna throw it back like that.
I love spicy food. And clearly, as you can see, we got the bottle's almost done, man. But I would say, like, what would you rate this as far as the spicy level? The actual Mountain Dew, the actual spice level you get from that. Probably non-existent now because you've had my concoction, which is way better. If you want the recipe, check the description. I'll hook you up. It's
gonna be like Mountain Dew dash of
the
this,
description's gonna say recipe in the video. Should have watched. Spice level being, sorry, I should have. 0 is no spice and 10 is sriracha because everyone knows what sriracha. I know it's not that spicy, but everyone knows the heat of sriracha. So that's if 10 is sriracha, because some people are like, oh my god, sriracha.
Someone said that today at work. I was like,
yeah, I know. Well, people call your maple bacon spicy, so.
Oh my god, still 0.5.
0.5, yeah.
It's very not there.
Yeah, I'll say 0.5 because it peaks.
Yeah.
It peaks for like a split second, but then it's gone back to citrus. Sweet wise, what would you say? If 10 is like a Coke and 0 is like sparkling water.
Like plain sparkling water?
Yeah.
6.
Yeah, I'd say it's probably like a 6. It's the same as like a regular Mountain Dew, honestly.
Yeah.
Saltiness, well, there's not really.
None.
There's not any salt.
$0.07.
Was it a good combo?
Right.
I think the marketing idea is there, but I think the flavor was not
executed very well.
Yeah, they didn't do that very well, but I mean, whatever. Overall, what would you rate that?
6.
6 out of 10? I'd rate it a 3 because it just tastes like Mountain Dew.
I'm not big on Mountain Dew, but 6. It's not terrible.
Mountain Dew is probably like number 6 in my favorite sodas.
See, 6.
But this, I wanted it to be spicy. I didn't even get lime. I just got like normal Mountain Dew flavor with like...
Well, isn't normal Mountain Dew just lemon and lime?
Yeah, it's like citrusy, but I thought there was going to be a little bit more lime or like some freshness to the lime. There wasn't. So I'm going a 3 out of 10. And would you buy it again?
Nope.
No, either would I. So, yeah, if you guys haven't tried this yet, I wouldn't recommend trying it. I would say make your own, you know. Let me know how that goes. Try some Tabasco sauce. Try different levels of sauce. Maybe this can be a trend, you know. Make your own spicy soda. Any of you guys who got the Soda Stream, some ghost pepper sauce.
I was going to say just carbonate the hot sauce.
And then send it to me. I'll drink it. That's going to do for this review. And thanks. We hope that you enjoyed this review. And don't forget to check out all our review playlists down below. And leave a like. And subscribe. And punch the bell in the face. So it was ding ding dong. And
ding dong.
Yeah, leave a comment. Letting us know what you thought about the video. Anything else, Bob?
Follow us on Instagram and Twitter. And join our Discord and go follow us on Twitch so you can see all this with no cuts and
no cuts, unfiltered, raw,
with permission. And don't burn your bum with all the hot stuff.
That's all, folks.